Is your Spectrum modem stuck at 20% or 69% during activation or a firmware update? You're not alone. This is a common problem, especially with Spectrum Advanced SA series modems like the SAC2V1A or SAC2V2A. The issue arises during initial setup or over-the-air updates, leading to failed activations and no internet. These freezes are software related, tied to the modem's boot process and over-the-air firmware updates. The 20% freeze usually happens during initial file retrieval, often due to interrupted Wi-Fi or cable signals. The 69% freeze happens later, linked to checksum verification failures or corrupted data packets. As of October 2025, Spectrum has addressed this with firmware updates, but it can still occur, particularly with older modems or weak signals. Stay tuned to learn how to troubleshoot. First, perform a power cycle. Unplug the modem for 60 seconds, then plug it back in. Ensure your coaxial cable connections are secure and free from damage, as a weak signal can cause issues. Use the Spectrum app to force a modem reset. A Reddit thread in December 2024 showed this fixed the 69% freeze for 70% of posters. Outdated app versions can cause issues, so make sure your Spectrum app is up to date. If these steps don't work, you may have a faulty coaxial splitter or require a signal booster, especially in rural areas. As of early 2025, Spectrum rolled out firmware version 3.2.145 for SA series modems, which includes patches to prevent download stalls at 20% and 69%. So make sure your modem is updated. For persistent issues, contact Spectrum support. With the right steps, you can get your modem working again.